Working with legacy PowerBuilder applications and need to open a PBFX project file? These define enterprise applications built with the classic Windows development platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these PowerBuilder project files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware, I've kept the most effective PBFX file solution for the tough cases near the end. A PBFX file is a project file created by Appeon PowerBuilder, an integrated development environment for building business applications. It contains references to all the components of a project, such as libraries, PBL, windows, menus, and scripts, guiding the compiler on how to build the final executable. The PBFX file is a text-based file, often in an XML format, that acts as a manifest for the PowerBuilder compiler. Its design allows developers to easily manage project dependencies and build configurations through a human-readable structure, facilitating version control and collaborative development within a team. This PBFX file is designed specifically for the developer tool PowerBuilder by Appeon SAP. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows may display the syntax, but the logic executes only within the proper environment. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the PBFX file and choose Open With. If PowerBuilder is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. If you are still having trouble opening the PBFX file, do not worry. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your PBFX file. First, opening in PowerBuilder IDE. Launch PowerBuilder IDE and use File then Open Workspace, or Open to load the PBFX file. The IDE displays the project structure with targets, libraries, and source code organized in the system tree. Build, deploy, and debug applications directly from the IDE using configurations defined within the project file structure. Next, editing in XML Editor. PBFX files contain XML and open in any XML editor, including VS Code, XML SPY, or Notepad++. Edit project settings, target configurations, and library references directly in XML format. Validate XML structure before saving to prevent PowerBuilder IDE loading errors. This approach is useful for batch editing or version control conflict resolution. Finally, migrating to modern PowerBuilder. For older PowerBuilder PBFX files, consider migrating to current Appeon PowerBuilder versions. Open the project in newer PowerBuilder, which automatically converts older project formats. Review compatibility warnings and update deprecated PowerScript syntax. Modern PowerBuilder versions support web and mobile deployment in addition to traditional Windows applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.